Welcome to Build a Brand Social How-tos. Hey everybody, it's me, Amanda Ryan, and I know that some of you are out there wondering, Amanda, can I change the URL to my Facebook page? Well, I have some great news for you, friends. You can. It's actually called the Facebook Vanity URL, meaning you can change your current Facebook page, which is a long string of numbers, and let's face it, that's hard to remember, to a username of your choice, making it much easier to share your Facebook page with friends, family members, and of course, your clients. So let's go ahead and get started. Head on over to a Facebook page you manage and click the About section. A new page loads, and as you scroll down, you'll see there is a section for username. Now, because I'm using the Build a Brand Facebook page as an example, you will see we've chosen the username at Build a Brand Company because it's relevant and as close to the company name as possible, which is what you will want to do as well. Now, once you've chosen your Facebook page username, hit Edit and enter it into the box you see here. Then click the Create Username button, which means you now saved that username and have changed your Facebook URL to facebook.com/your chosen username. You will also notice under your Facebook page name an @ symbol and of course that username again, which for you makes it easy to share and for your clients and families and friends easy to find your Facebook page. And that's it, you're all done. And congratulations, you now have a new and easy to share Facebook URL. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me, Amanda at buildabrand.com. And as always, I look forward to continuing on this branding journey with you.